A warm vegetable salad just like my mom used to make when I was a kid. On our channel, you'll find plenty of delicious and healthy recipes, and today we're going to be making a nutritious warm vegetable salad. I frequently make this salad whenever we're hosting guests at our house. This delicious salad really doesn't take much of your time at all. You just need to chop up all of the fresh ingredients and then simply put them in the oven to roast. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel right now so that you don't miss out on any more healthy and tasty recipes from the dedicated Easy Eat Studio team. Take the sweet pepper, onion, and eggplant, cut everything into random pieces. Drizzle with olive oil, add salt, a pepper blend, mix everything together. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Separately, cut the zucchini and pumpkin. Also sprinkle with salt, pepper blend, and drizzle with olive oil as well. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Mix all the cooked vegetables together and let them cool. Next, prepare the sauce. Combine olive oil, lemon juice, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper blend, oregano, basil, and honey. Mix everything well. Place the vegetables in a bowl and add some greens. I like to use spinach. Mix everything together and pour the sauce over it. Be sure to add some feta cheese and walnuts. They're precisely the ingredients that provide the salad its distinctive flavor and texture. Place the salad on a plate. Sprinkle with feta cheese and chopped walnuts. You can drizzle the remaining sauce on top and it's all done. Our warm vegetable salad is ready. Give it a try yourself and be sure to share your results with us in the comment section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and follow us on social media. Your support is more important to us now than it has ever been before. We hope you enjoy your delicious meal and we will see you again very soon. Bye bye for now. Check out other videos that YouTube has selected for you.